Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Rich Tell Tales. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Richa. Now today's video is all about me reviewing Street Style Smart. Oh no! Street Style Store. Yes, it's the first time I've ever shopped from this online Instagram marketplace, which is apparently going around the corners like crazy, and not just today, yesterday or a year back. It's been there for years, and I'm amazed how being from Delhi, all my life I've shopped in Delhi and I had no clue about this online store. What? All of you guys who know, great. Who don't know about it, is just an online store like a lot of others on Instagram. They have an Instagram page keeping up with all the latest fashion and trends. They have not the most expensive clothes or footwear. So for everyone who's wanting not to purchase those expensive articles but also want to keep up with the trends, this is like the place for you guys. I was a little apprehensive about shopping here because I had heard a lot of reviews about how the items are not up to the mark when it comes to quality, or how the shipment leaves, packaging center really late, how there are so many delays in your package actually reaching out to you, say a month or 2 or 3 in COVID times. But I'm gonna be scratching off all the myths, and I'm gonna be reviewing and telling you guys how it actually is and how my personal experience was with Street Style Store. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So I want to start off with showing what all I bought from Street Style Store, and then we'll be reviewing the items, and also I'll be mentioning all the details of how the shopping experience was. So stay right till the end of this video. So the first top I got is this lilac lavender top, which has a really cute neck as per me. This bow detailing going on here, and the material is pretty summery. It's all cotton, and I like how they have put in a streetstylestore.com tag right here. My size is small, so this is how it basically looks on me. As far as the quality is concerned, I feel this material could have been a little better. So this is quite transparent, but if you wear like a nude bra inside it, it's pretty much you're good to go. So I don't have a lot of complaints about the material for this particular one, and I like how the top can be used as a crop top with some people, and for some others it can just be a normal top. I just have a little complaint about the sleeves. These could have been a little tight, so the fitting could have been really better. That's what I feel. These were kind of loose. Having thought about, small as a size when you order, you really expect great fit. In case if you like the products, for all the relevant details, look out in the description box. I'll be linking down all the details below. So yes, overall I think I'm happy with this particular lavender lilac top. 7 on 10 as far as my likability goes. The second thing which I bought is this sweetheart dress, which is in gingham print. Actually, that's what it's called, black and white checks but gingham style, and this has a collar right here, and that's why it's sweetheart. This is again in size small because that's me. They have a belt here, right here, so that in case if it's kind of loose for you, you can tie it up, and this is how it looks. I am pretty happy with how they have picturized it on the site, but as far as the material is concerned, I'm not really happy with the material. It feels like it's almost like a cotswool material, not very summer friendly, and it's sleeveless, so of course you can't really think about wearing it in winters either. It has this collar which is also not so soft, I would say. So overall, I don't know, I'm not really happy with this particular dress here. It was for 600 rupees, and I think you can get like a good dress from a lot of other websites at 600, and for 600 you can also shop from say H&M, or get the basics at least from Zara. So I don't think this was worth it. Also the belt at the back, it doesn't give a great shape to the whole skirt because it should be A-line, but that's not how it falls eventually. So from my side, this one just gets a 5 on 10. 5 also because the pattern, I really like the gingham style. I like the sweetheart neck. That is what is saving this dress right here. I wouldn't really suggest you to go ahead and buy this if you're looking out for a very summery dress, because this does not have anything like that. The third and the final thing which I bought, these set of heels right here. So I wanted to go for animal print for a change, not for the basic colors which we are buying. It actually says it's for 999, but I got this for 5,999, I think. Yes, this was also available in a deal wherein you buy 3 footwear and they're all for 333, which is basically 3 footwear in 999. But I was apprehensive about buying 3 together, so I wanted to first test the quality and see if it's worth it, if you know they're comfortable, the quality is okay, if not great. I don't know if you guys understand, if you guys are with me, quality really matters and comfort is so important when it comes to footwear. I don't mind the quality going here and there a little bit when it comes to clothes, yes, but when it comes to footwear they have to be really comfortable. So I was first wanting to get one pair and then seeing if it suits me and I like the quality. Even if it's decent for daily wear, I'll be moving on to getting more. I am pretty happy with this one, surprisingly. Why? Because first of all, the material is soft. It's not exactly velvet, it is soft, and of course there is this cushiony material which is there on the foot, on the sole as well. So when you actually put pressure on these, when you're wearing these go down, so it's not really uncomfortable. It's not like a hard sole. Also, the heel size is just appropriate, what I was thinking, about 1.5 or 2 inches. So they're really comfortable. They also have this sole right here so that there are less chances of you slipping or creating a lot of friction on the floor. If I talk about the size, I would highly suggest for you guys to actually opt for a size higher, notch higher than your usual size, because that's what I did. I'm usually a 37, a 7, but I have ordered a 38 for this one and it's just fitting me perfectly. So I have ordered an 8 basically. I think they have like a slight mismatch with the usual sizes. So this is the best suggestion I can give you as far as footwear is concerned. Always order a size higher more than your usual one. Also, I am okay with the quality as well, because for 600 rupees getting a heeled version of one of those Zara footwears, I don't think it's bad at all. I have already worn these. I will be wearing these in the future as well, quite a lot, because I really wanted to get a leopard print. Also, as I told you, comfort's priority, so this one stands on a 9 on 10. So that's it guys. As far as my reviews are concerned, all 3 materials were rated by me. I would also like to tell you that I had a great experience as far as the shipping and delivery is concerned. The clothes came to me within 4 days of me placing the order, and the footwear came in exactly 9 days. A lot of people had a lot of things to say about how they take a month or 2. Fortunately, that did not happen with me, and I'm so glad it did not, because I was so eager to share my experience with you guys. I think they are doing a great job as far as shipping and timely delivery is concerned now. So you guys can go ahead and check the website out. No, it's not a sponsored video. I was just sharing what I felt was right so that it's useful for you. So I hope you like this review, and if you think I was being honest and it was helpful for you guys, consider subscribing before leaving. Until next time, this is Richa signing out. I will be back with another video. Let me know in the comments which one would you want to see me do. Until next time, this is Richa signing out. Ta-da!